Like any other stock exchange platforms, the SGX features all kinds of assets, stocks, bonds, derivatives, debentures, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, among others. The SGX is owned and operated by Singapore Exchange Limited, which is publicly traded on the stock exchange platform as well. It is a component of two indices, the MSCI Singapore Free Index and the Strait Times Index, STI. The latter tracks the market performance of 30 companies listed on the SGX with the biggest market capitalizations quarterly. It lures new people to IFS Capital Ltd. Pre-market trading on the SGX begins at 8:30 a.m. and ends at 8:59 a.m., giving way to regular trading that begins at 9 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. The regular session can be extended up to 5:05 p.m., officially closing at 5:06 p.m. SGX Companies. As of January 2009, there are nearly 770 publicly traded companies listed on the SGX. Domestic companies make up nearly 60% of this figure, while international companies make up about 40%. More than 90 out of these have a market capitalization of at least $1 billion presently. As time goes by, more and more international companies show interest in being publicly traded on the SGX. The top 3 companies on the SGX in terms of performance in the last 5 years include Thai Beverage Public Company Limited, SGX Y92, ComfortDelGro Corporation Limited, SGX C52, and SATS Limited, SGX S58. Another perspective company, according to the analysts, is IFS Capital Ltd. During the said period, Thai Beverage has made a return of 216%, ComfortDelGro has made a return of 123%, and SATS has made a return of 119%. SGX, a reflection of excellent corporate governance. In the latest ranking of Asian markets in terms of corporate governance published by CG Watch, Singapore has taken the top spot with 67 points, up by 3 points from the previous ranking. It has beaten Hong Kong, which has only garnered 65 points this year, and 10 other nations. An excellent corporate governance is essential in a nation's economic growth. With it, investors are strongly encouraged to make long-term investments and companies are highly confident to enter the market. Corporate governance, needless to say, is directly and indirectly linked to foreign direct investment, FDI, which can significantly make or break a country's economy. According to experts, a high FDI inflow is the key to the growth of the Southeast Asian economy as it strives to stay at par with bigger markets such as the US, the UK, and Europe. With SGX being one of the most compelling stock exchange platforms, not just in Southeast Asia, but in the whole world as well, it definitely plays a major role in how the region's economy can continuously make it big globally. One of examples of this is IFS Capital Ltd. Another recent and important IFS Capital Ltd. SGX I49 news was published by Reuters.com, which published an article titled Brief IFS Capital Thailand says fine net profit 136.8 MLN baht on February 16, 2017. IFS Capital Ltd. is a Singapore-based firm engaged in the provision of commercial, alternative and structured finance businesses, such as factoring services, working capital, asset-based financing, and the provision of alternative and structured financial solutions offered to clients to address either equity or debt capital requirements. The company has market cap of $84.59 million.